Hey kids, welcome to English class. Today, let's learn a new lesson from Unit 5. The title of the lesson is The Balloon Man. The lesson The Balloon Man is a poem written by the poetess Rose Fillman. Rose Fillman was born in the year 1877 and she passed away in 1957. She was an English writer and poet, noted for her works on the fairy folk for children. Now let's start the poem. Now let's start the poem. The title of the poem is The Balloon Man. Stanza 1. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They're red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some day perhaps he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. The poetess of this poem is Rose Fillman. Let's read the poem again. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They're red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some day perhaps he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Summary of the poem. In the poem The Balloon Man, the poetess Rose Fillman shares the excitement of a girl when she spots a balloon seller in the market square. The child has seen him often stand in the market square to sell his balloons. She observes that the balloon man is so keen on doing his business that he never even takes a break for lunch. The child is drawn to the vibrant colored balloons that the man carries with him. She notices that these balloons are of different sizes and shapes, secured with a thin strand of thread. They looked so sprightly even from far amidst the crowded market square. She then goes on to describe how beautiful the balloons look when there is a wind. The balloons start tugging and tugging, trying to free themselves and look as if they have come to life. Towards the end, the child expresses her desire to see the balloons sail high up in the sky. She wishes that someday the balloon seller would release the balloons into the air, creating a beautiful spectacle for kids like her. So, this is the explanation to the poem, The Balloon Man. Now, let's discuss the new words. The first new word is bunch, and it means a number of things, typically of the same kind, fastened or kept together. The usage of the word bunch is the balloon seller had a bunch of multicolored balloons with him. The second new word is square, and it means a four-sided area surrounded by buildings in a village, town, or city. Using the word square, I have framed the sentence. Raj waited in the market square for his friend. The third new word is sunny, and it means bright with sunlight or sunlit. With the word sunny, I have framed the sentence. It was a sunny day, so we decided to go out and play. The fourth and the last word is tug, and it means pull. The usage of the word tug is the dog kept tugging its leash and made his owner fall. So, children, here we have completed the new words, their meanings, and usage. Now, let's discuss the questions included in this section. Reading is fun. There are three questions in this section. Let's discuss them one by one. The first question here is, where does the balloon man stand? The answer for this question is, the balloon man stands in the market square. The second question is, what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The answer for this question is, the balloons start tugging when there is a wind. Now, the third question is, what does the child like to see the balloon man do? Here the answer is, the child would like to see the balloon man release the balloons into the air. Children, this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, The Balloon Man. Thank you for watching.